is a very clean for the good energy. We take out all the bad energies or negative energies, and this is a clean. Okay, so to start, please choose a comfortable position. You can be seated or lie down. Please be comfortable, and we are going to start with a deep breath. Expel the air. Repeat this deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Feel how your muscles are feeling well. How you feel calm and in peace. And now we are going to relax all the muscles in the face. Start with the front. Relax your front. Relax your eyes. Relax your mouth. Please open and close your mouth to relax all the muscles in your face. Feel you are relaxing your neck. You can move to right and left and relax. You can relax your shoulders. Feel or relax little by little your arms, your hands, and your fingers. Gentle in each breath and feel all the muscles of your body relax. Feel how your body weighs more and more. And so, in this comfortable position, we will breathe deeply. Feel like every time you smell the air, you feel calm. Your stress, your anxiety is deleted. And now we are going to make a big sigh. Later. One more. Feel how your stress is relieved. Feel like every 1 minute that passes, you are more and more calm. So, in this comfortable position, we are breathing calmly, and every minute that passes, we are relaxing. You only have to know there's nothing more but the present. Feel how it's relaxing your chest, your bottom, your legs, every minute. You are more and more relaxed. And remember, you can repeat that exercise every time you want. Breathe deeply and exhale. Every minute that passes, you are more and more relaxed. Feel your mind calm down, and you are at peace. Feel how your legs and your feet are relaxed. And now, imagine how you have a silent light on the top in your head who is going to give you a path, a pretty silent path of light, a white light. That white light comes to you to make an clean and energetic cleaning. You receive that shining light. Receive this wonderful white light that gives you a light, energetic path. Feel all the light coming through your skin pores, for your cells, for your soul. Feel the tingling in your body. This makes you feel happy, renovated. Feel how positive energy fills your body, your soul. This is an energetic cleaning. Everything bad is now expelled from your body. Feel now like all the negative things, all the bad influences, or the bad energies are out of you, out of your reach. Enjoy and receive this wonderful light. Feel the tingle. Feel the tingling in your body. This beautiful and shining light, white light, is filling you, and you receive that in peace and happy. That moment is just for you. You are cleaning, your energetic cleaning is just for you. Now you are a new person, renovated, is like a rebirth. You feel plenty of good energy and good vibes. No one can change your attitude now. You are receiving an energy cleaning, and you are a new person now. Now you can see how the light is going out of you, and you feel calm, you feel relaxed, you feel peace. You can smile. You are renovated now, and no one can disturb your peace. You are a new person now. Please smile and give thank you for this wonderful past. Now you are prepared to make everything you want. Your energy is renovated. Your energy is cleaning. You are light. You are love. You are peace. You are calm. And you can start a new day. A new beautiful day. Please say thank you to the universe for this present. And remember, you can repeat that exercise anytime you want. And now, little by little, you can start to move your fingers. Move softly your fingers, your arms, your legs. Softly you can move your neck. And when you are prepared, you can open your eyes. Thank you for staying